everybody, J-Rock here, and I'm going to show you what crypto is doing. And I'm looking at a chart of NEOUSD, one cryptocurrency, and it has come down on the weekly chart. The monthly chart is not easy because it's still too early in the crypto game to have a nice chart. But this is the weekly chart, and you see it has gone way up, pulled back, and it rested right on the 20 period moving average, the 20-week moving average, and it is now going up. I believe crypto will go all the way up here, maybe all the way up here, but if it goes here, it could come back down for the next week. But this week seems like it'll be a big up week, and that could put in over 1,000 points on NEO. So what we are going to go do is look at the next chart, the day chart, and we see that it has been in a monster downtrend. Look at how the moving average, the 5-day moving average, that light blue line coming down, and the candles have held under it. They've closed under it. It wicked at one point, that long, it's called a long leg spinning top because it's not quite a doji. The rectangle in the middle, the red rectangle, is a little bigger than a doji, which would be more of a flat rectangle. So it has come way down, and now it looks like we are coming off the bottom. So I expect to break up and go to the 100-day moving average, which is the light blue line going across the middle of the screen. And you also see the RSI. We are down almost to oversold territory, and it hasn't happened in a long time. So we are at the lowest point, and we are coming off the bottom. I believe we will break up and continue to go. Now, we may go today straight up to 99, which is about 110 points, and then we could pull back starting tomorrow on the new day candle, which would be about 4 p.m. Eastern, actually 5 p.m. Eastern. Today's Sunday, 3/11/2018. And then we could come back starting then and then bounce off of the 5 that's going to curve up and then go up further. So let me see something else real quick. Bring that in. And actually, I'm going to go to the H4 chart. Now, the H4 chart broke way down. You see how it's continued over the course of the days to get under those moving averages, and it held under the 5 and the 10, and then, which is your light blue and orange, and then your white line, the 20, continued all the way down, and then it broke up, and it put in a bull flag pattern yesterday, and we had a signal across most cryptos showing volume spike that it was going to run. Well, it did not break through on that bull flag, and it held, and it broke down and came way down, broke down below the orange line, and continued to fall. Well, we know that it fell to the white line on the week, as I showed you a minute ago, and has bounced back up. Now, we may come back down a little bit and then power up again. So it's just retesting a little bit on the, we have like almost a double bottom, but it's a higher low that you can see down there. And on the RSI also, we have come up, even though you see the 3 bottoms on the RSI. So the first bottom was the lowest that we had, and it is from a point that is higher on the chart. And then the second bottom is higher on the RSI but lower on the chart. The third bottom is higher on the RSI and higher on the chart. So that is a sign that a potential monster reversal is coming. So get ready. Crypto is going to be a monster buy here pretty soon if it's not manipulated down and they drop it further. But we shall see. So H4 looks good. H1, you see we bounced up, put in a double bottom. It's getting ready. It's going to come down again, but it's getting ready to bounce and then break up above all these moving averages and get in an uptrend. So the lower time frames, basically, they give you a better point of entry. The longer time frames tell you direction and what's happening. Lower time frames tell you the best entry point. As you can see, you don't want to buy right now. You want to wait till it comes back down. So I would close my scalp right now and then get back in when it comes down. So you probably get in around 83.15, 84.40, you know, that 10, 15 points away from each other. That's what it's looking like in the crypto world. I hope you are getting ready and you'll be able to make some money. Just be careful and trade lightly. Crypto is very illiquid, does not have a lot of buyers and sellers compared to regular currency. And so the spread is very big and you could lose all of your money if you do not trade wisely. This is J-Rock, over and out.